And I'm back.
You want to do the Roman
And
candle.
I'm gonna do a Roman candle, guys. Now this is gonna be pretty cool.
Do not point it at anybody's face, okay?
Come here.
Point it up in the sky.
Okay.
Come here.
Grandpa's gonna help you.
I'm going to light it for you.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm doing a Roman
And
candle.
you too.
now. See, look. Roman candle. Tin ball crackling candle. This is gonna be crazy, guys. Really crazy.
Ready.
Here, I'll get yours here.
All right. Point it up. Point it up. You got to point it up.
Oh.
Well,
You
get
go
out
out
the
in the
fire.
grass a little bit.
Get out of the fire.
Oh. Whoa.
It's pretty close. It's pretty close to my head.
Going that way. You don't want to? Can't point towards the house.
That's not 10.
It's not 10 at all.
We need to go out here. Come on. Okay, here we go.
Here, go put it in the trash pile.
I'm scared. Straight up, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That one worked good.
Okay, there was the Roman candle, guys.
He got some of that stuff in his eyes.
Oh, baby.
I
Can you
can
see
feel it.
okay? Can you see me?
Here,
We got more bees. We got more cracklers.
oh, let me do my little bomb.
Okay. I think it's one of those ones.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm doing my little bomb.
I think it's a flash one.
Here. Now, guys, this is one that I saved from last year.
Oh, maybe not.
That was
I thought
loud.
it was a flash one.
Okay, there we go. That's what happens when you don't know your firecrackers.
Hold tight.
Here,
Hold tight. Hold it tight. Right there. There you go.
Straight up.
It should be it. Two, because twice two of them went off at the same time.
I know, I heard it and
Yeah.
I felt it. Oh, thank you for recording.
No problem.
Okay, that's all my Roman candles, guys. See you next time.